What's going on, everyone? MikeO back, doing another box break. Today I'll be breaking one mega box of 2020 Topps Chrome Update Series. This is a retail exclusive, been a really popular release over the years. This year, not as much, but you never know. Randy Arozarena is the top rookie we're looking for, but you also have rookie debuts of other greats. You have a chance to get refractors, which are pretty tough pools, but they are limited to 250 copies each, so if you pull a good player, definitely has some value there. You can get autographs and one-of-one superfractors. Each box contains 7 packs, 4 cards per pack, so let's see how we do. Break it and hope to hit something fun. If you can find these at retail, they are $20 each. Not easy to find because, well, nothing at retail is easy to find anymore, but not the hardest. If your stores have limits, which most have, you have a better chance of getting the baseball as opposed to basketball or football. So, got our 3. We've got 6 packs, so short 1 pack, so not off to a great start. Have to reach out to Topps about that one, unless I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's disappointing. Let's see if we get anything. Trent Grisham, solid start, one of the better rookies in the product. Guess we'll put that to the side. Deal, Chrome, and Verdugo. Yoshi, Chipper Jones insert. Zach Wheeler, and Zach Davies. Grandal, Calhoun, Grion, and Santana. They had 3 packs gone, 3 to go. 1 missing. Insert. Nick Solak. Pretty sweet Juan Soto insert. Decades Next 2020. Jesus Luzardo and Cal Ripken Jr. Got Buster Posey, Gleyber Torres, Jose Altuve, and Tino Martinez. Final pack. Super quick break. Got Bryce Harper, Kyle Lewis, Decades Next, Flores, and Randy Arozarena. So, did hit the 2 top regular rookie cards. Trent Grisham and Randy Arozarena. 3 inserts. Kyle Lewis, Juan Soto, and Chipper Jones. The numbers game are pretty cool looking. Was short 1 pack, which is definitely not something that should happen. But overall, solid box. 2 rookies. Rookies are what you're looking for most, and a couple cool inserts. All right, quick break, fun break. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great one.